Quesadillas are super easy and super fast to make. It only takes 2 ingredients to make a legit quesadilla. We'll add a few more. Welcome to Lawyer in the Kitchen. Today we're gonna make a simple quesadilla. You couldn't get easier. Look at the number of ingredients we have. If you add salt, that's 5. We've got flour tortillas, and we have, and they're large. These are like for burritos, but we want that size. I've got some Monterey Jack, and this is a pound. If you can avoid it, don't get the packaged shredded cheese because this will melt much better. Grate it yourself, even if you have to use a box grater, it's not gonna take that long. Make it fresh, it'll be much tastier, it'll melt much nicer, and it'll be all together better. And I've got some green onions, I've got some black olives, and some fresh chopped tomatoes. That's all we're gonna have, a little oil to cook this on, and we're done. Very simply, we're just going to put this on medium-high heat. If you have a cast iron skillet that's big enough to fit your tortilla, use a cast iron skillet. Warm it up slowly. I know some people probably wouldn't use oil, but I'm going to. And we're gonna get this coated. And we're just gonna let it get to the point where it starts to bubble up a little bit. All right, we're gonna flip this relatively soon. And it's starting to bubble, as you can see over here, which is what we're looking for. Ah, this is exactly what we're looking for. All right. All right, so we're gonna add our cheese. Not in the pan, just on the tortilla. And it's getting a little hot, so I'm just gonna take it off the flame. And I'm gonna turn this down. Add a little bit of onion. I'm only gonna put black olives on this side right over here because Mrs. Brooks doesn't like black olives.
That is not true.
And that gives us a little bit of color. That looks pretty nice right there. We're gonna cover this until the cheese melts a little bit. Okay, so it's starting to melt. So we're gonna fold this over like an omelet. And we're gonna cover this up again. I'm gonna flatten this just a little bit. It's nice and crispy. I'm gonna flip it one more time. Cover this, and we are done. Quesadilla comes from the Spanish word queso, which means cheese. The whole word quesadilla means little cheesy thing. The quesadilla dates back to the 1500s in Mexico. Originally, it was just a tortilla and cheese. The quesadilla is said to have originated in Sinaloa, Mexico, evidently becoming popular in all of Mexico, the world, and of course the United States. Historically, the tortilla was made of corn. Today, we're using a flour tortilla and adding some vegetables to the cheese. So we're ready to slice it, and we want to just cut it like that. We're gonna make this in 3. All right. Look at that cheese. Look at that. We're just gonna serve it like this. And you can fix it any which way you like, Mrs. Brooks. I think we put a little bit of cilantro on it maybe, or some more green onions. So we're ready to try our colossal quesadillas with, I've got different sauces here. I've got, what is that? Sour cream, guacamole, and salsa. I'm gonna go with the sour cream first. Oh, that's got tons of cheese, tons of flavor, crispy. Let's have a little bit of the guacamole. Look at this, this is gonna be a good bite. How's that? That's pretty tasty. Let me get you some guac with guacamole. Here you go. It's actually pretty good with just the cream cheese.
You mean the sour cream?
Yeah, that. The sour cream. Yes, not the cream cheese. I bet it would be good with cream cheese though. Lightened it up a little bit, got it warm. Honestly, that'd be tasty. Simple, easy to make dish. You saw how long, we had 5 ingredients if you count the salt. Very simple. The salsa and the guacamole is very easy to make as well. If you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe. That helps promote my channel. Tell me where you're from. Give me a comment. I will respond. And I'll see you next time on
While you're in the kitchen.